Hi. That's everything. Like, this is everything except for my socks and underwear and pajamas. How insane is that? That's full.
Why do you keep shopping?
I didn't, honestly, it was a big wake-up call. I didn't know I had this much clothes, like this many clothes, yeah. Thank you.
Think of how much money you've spent.
I don't want to.
Just keep a tally. Just, I don't know, take a shirt, say it's worth $5. Actually, you know what? Shirts are worth like 20.
I was gonna say, I'm looking at that jumpsuit right now that I just bought. That was 50.
Okay.
Those pants there. Well, a lot of these I bought on sale because I never buy anything full price.
Yeah, but you still spent that money.
I know. Goodbye, Charlie. Thank you for making me feel like poo.
No problem.
But my life choices. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of like a vlog style, but still like a fashion video. I am going through my wardrobes. I am finally doing this. I say wardrobes because I am a spaz and psycho that I have 2 clothing racks, a wardrobe upstairs full, and then I have in my bed, in each of these drawers are just full with clothes, and the same on that side as well. So it's insane. So I watched a video about like how to clean your life and how to go through your wardrobes, and like I think there was like 3 or 4 rules that you had to have. One of the main things is how you start is you bring all of your clothes together and you put it down on the floor, like in all one go. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna take all of these clothes, go upstairs into the wardrobe, bring everything downstairs, and put it there. So yeah. Also, I have a Starbucks because I need caffeine. It's just, this should be fun. So I'm in my sister's messy room, please ignore it, but this is my wardrobe that I've shoved in her corner. So I have all these clothes in here. So I have like old sweaters, all my summer clothes. Oh, this was my little unicorn when I was a kid. Then I have some more clothes and more clothes there. So I need to bring all of that downstairs. And then this is in the closet area. All of these clothes here, and then an old computer. So I'm gonna bring these all downstairs. Oh boy, let's go. My god, I knew I had a lot of clothes, but like not this much. Oh my god, that's insane. Okay, so now that everything is out and visible, these are all of my clothes except for like socks, underwear, and some pajamas. Although I do need to go through my pajamas. I just really don't want to do that on camera with you guys. I feel like that's weird. I have some cute pajamas that I'll share, but like, to be honest, half the time I'm literally just sleeping in a t-shirt, like an old t-shirt. So I'm gonna go through that just on my own. But everything else, like that's just, oh my god, so much shit. The other rule that you have to do is you have to break it up into like organization. So it's like sweaters, t-shirts, pants. So I've kind of already done that just because they were already organized like in these drawers and stuff, and mostly everything was folded, so that's helpful. I have to go through everything that was hanging on my clothing rack and then sort those into the separate pile, and then what was hanging up in my bedroom or my sister's room in that wardrobe. Oh, and yeah, see that MAC bag? Those are all clothes as well. Oh my god, so much. Feel like that squirrel over the hedge. I've had so much coffee. I've been up since like 4:30. I'm just shaky. So much coffee. It's not even noon. Whew, alrighty. Let's go. The rules in this, let's call it a game to make it more fun. A lot of these clothes I've had, I think the youngest I was of things that I still wear. I think if I know that it's here too. It's, oh here it is this long sleeve I had in grade 5. Like, it smells so old, yet I wear it. Like, what am I doing with my life? I know that this is so old, and this was, I remember it was big for me at a point. I also remember it was too small for me at a point, and now it fits just right. So Goldilocks, it's happened, she's happy, it's done now. And there are a lot of clothes in here that I see, and I'm like, oh, I remember I was this age, or I did this with that clothes, or when I think of this grade, it's that top. No, none of that stuff. It's going. I want to have a very like minimal, like basic wardrobe, and that I can just like pull pieces together and style them in different ways with the pieces that I have. That is my goal. That is my plan. With that being said, if I don't wear it, it's gone. If I even think, you know, oh, I'm gonna wear that. No, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna be ruthless, not gonna have any of it. I have 2 piles, a garbage bag that I'm gonna take and just kind of donate. And then I have a bag that I'm just throwing it, actually no, maybe I'll do the bag to go to charity, the garbage bag just to throw out or like recycle them. I know H&M does something like that. And then this MAC bag I will do like for like clothes to take to like Plato's Closet or something, because some of these clothes in the summertime I lost a lot of weight. Like I lost about 15 pounds, which is not good, but like stress and anxiety was terrible. So a lot of these clothes are really nice and I used to wear all the time or like wear special occasions, but now they don't fit me. I kind of want to just take them to Plato's Closet because somebody else will be able to wear them instead of them just sitting in my wardrobe until I gain that weight back. So I'd rather get rid of them. That is my plan for Plato's Closet. So I got 3 piles, I got my rule book, I got my coffee, let's go. Alrighty, Queen is gonna help me do this. Alright, I see some floor. Pretty good. This top is a triathlon top. I did not do this triathlon. I went to Value Village and I had to pick up a top, and this was still had like a thing on it, and I was like, oh yeah, I wear it. So I wear it when I go and I had like training camp and stuff. I wore this a lot to make me look fit. I've never done a triathlon, but I'm gonna continue that thing and keep wearing it. Ah, there's floor, look, there's carpet. All right, making progress. How's my res in first year? C3, aw. I don't know if any of you guys still watch my videos, but hi. Okay, I'll keep that too. That's what I'm really bad at, is things like that, like my Laurier sweaters and like my old curling provincial sweaters and stuff. My provincial sweaters I do still wear, just because they're really warm and cozy. But like, I feel like my kid, like if that's ever like a trend to wear like old like 80s stuff or 90s stuff, and like some things that my dad wore in high school and university, like I wear sometimes, like his jean jacket I wear, like his Levi's one, or like my mom, she had like a Letterman jacket and stuff, so I now wear it. So it's like, now I keep thinking, I'm like, will my kids want this or will they hate me for throwing it out? I don't know. Like look, that's my old high school sweater. It says Watson on the side. No one's gonna want to wear that. But like, I don't wear it, so get rid of it. I'd rather get rid of my high school stuff than my university stuff. Oh lordy. I have some interesting memories from that one. That was St. Patty's Day, 2nd year. We don't remember that. I don't wear this at all. I think I've worn it twice since that video. So get rid of that. I'm like dying. Okay, done-ish. So this is what we're working with. That's what's left, and I still need to take a few things back upstairs because they're summer. Here, I'm just gonna transfer a few of these back and forth of like what looks nice here, and then just kind of like everything else that needs to be hung up. But look at all the hangers of things I got rid of. There's some another hangers and some more over here. That is the garbage, so everything that's like gross and just needs to be recycled. And this is everything. I've kind of mixed them, but that I need to sort through of like what's actually good that I still have tags on it that I can sell or like give to Plato's Closet, or other things I can give to Value Village. So I'm gonna go through that bin. But this is my maybe pile. I'm really proud of myself. That's all maybes. One top, one pair of jeans, a dress, and then 2 pairs of dress pants. And they're mostly to see if they still fit me or not, if I'll wear them again. So I am very proud and feel very light. But yeah, so I'm really happy about that. This is what I have left in the drawers. That's what I have for tops, sweaters, sleeves, and tank tops and going out tops. And this one I'm very proud of. All of my work is very dark. Those are all my jeans, pants, workout gear, sweatpants, and tops that I wear underneath my coats and stuff, like just like under bits. So that's that there. And then around the corner in here are all of my sweaters. So I have hoodies, I have sweaters, or turtlenecks, cardigans, and then just throw over crew necks. Done. Those 2 sweaters are gonna go in my memory bin. And yeah, so I'm just gonna tidy this up and call it a day. But I'm very proud of how big that pile is of things I'm getting rid of. Oh, so I'm gonna end it here. So I'm gonna blast some music while tidying up and organizing what to get rid of and what to, or everything and that's left on the floor I'm getting rid of. But it's more so if I am, oh no, that little pile over there, that little like very tiny like light blue pile, that's my summer like shorts and tank tops that need to go upstairs. But everything else is going. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I really like watching like decluttering and cleaning videos that like speed things, like time lapses, there we go. I enjoy watching them, so I wanted to film one, and hopes that you guys enjoyed it too. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you did. That would be great. And I will see you all in my next video.